Hot as a hare, mad as a dog, red as a beet, dry as a bone. Greetings all on this Monday. It's Claudia Manchanda, radical herbalist. I'm in a medicinal garden in central London, and I thought I'd show you some herbs that have got a really long name. They're parasympatholytic, which means that they cut the effects of the parasympathetic nervous system. And the parasympathetic nervous system is the one that makes you rest and digest, makes you salivate, it makes you lacrimate, cry, makes you defecate, makes you urinate, and there are chemicals called tropane alkaloids that are parasympatholytic. They cut the effects of the parasympathetic nervous system, so they make you dry as a bone, dry out your eyes, your mouth, your saliva. So medically they're used to dry up too many secretions. They're used for IBS, they're used for dribbling in Parkinson's disease, they're used for the symptoms of organophosphate poisoning. I'm going to talk more about each plant in detail later, but I'm just going to introduce you to some of the plants because they're here and they're flowering and they're so beautiful. So here we have the plant Brugmansia suavalensis, and it's a source of atropine, scopolamine, acetylcholine antagonist, and they're used for to dilate your pupils in ophthalmology. They're used as for a surgery to dry up secretions. And I'll talk about each plant more. They'll have a video each. And here we have a Tropa belladonna, and it's also known as deadly nightshade. In herbal medicine, we use it to dry up secretions, and it's also been used for asthma and tightness of the chest. And it also contains atropine, scopolamine, which is also known as hyoscine, and hyoscyamine. I'm going to do a whole video on this plant, and I just thought I'd show you it while it's flowering. Here we have the fruits of Mandragora officinarum, and this one's from the Mediterranean, and its common name is mandrake, even though I think there's been different plants associated with mandrakes. And the word mandrake comes from mandragon because the root looks very anthropomorphic, like it has two legs and arms. And the fruit of this has actually been used as food, even though the actual roots and the leaves have got the tropane alkaloids, where the therapeutic index is very small, so it means the toxic dose is very close to the therapeutic dose. But I'm going to do a whole video on mandrake in a while, so yeah. And here are the mandrake leaves kind of withering away.